Motorcycle. I want to ride the motorcycle this weekend. Motorcycle. Seagull. Seagulls have learned to live in harmony with humans. Seagull. Sea turtle. A good friend of mine recently swam with sea turtles on a tropical vacation. Sea turtle. Hiking trail. The hiking trail led us to a beautiful mountain meadow. Hiking trail. Vintage race car. My dad and I enjoyed watching the vintage race cars. Vintage race car. Compass. Get the compass. We need to determine which direction is north. Compass. Baseball. This is a perfect day to watch a baseball game. Baseball. Cliff. Be careful. There is a dangerous cliff over here. Cliff. Mountaineer. The mountaineer has determined the trail is safe to pass. Mountaineer. Snowboarder. The Olympic snowboarder is a tough competitor. Snowboarder. Airplane. My boss enjoys flying in his airplane on the weekends. Airplane. Butterfly. The monarch butterfly travels all the way to Mexico to breed every year. Butterfly. Beach chairs. We spent the afternoon lounging in the beach chairs by the water. Beach chairs. Sunglasses. Please go inside and get my sunglasses. It is so bright outside. Sunglasses. Ocean. The ocean covers 70% of the Earth's surface. Ocean. Horse. Don't forget to feed the horses this evening. Horse. Skyscraper. New York City has so many beautiful skyscrapers. Skyscraper. Wooden boat. Next weekend we will go fishing in the old wooden boat. Wooden boat. Camping. We went on a camping trip with friends last weekend. Camping. Tennis. My parents regularly play tennis after work. Tennis. Koala bear. We saw a sleepy koala bear at the zoo this morning. Koala bear. Mountain ridge. My sister and I hiked along a steep mountain ridge to reach our destination. Mountain ridge. Flower. The garden is full of many beautiful flowers this time of year. Flower. Hummingbird. The hummingbirds fly by so fast I can hardly see them. Hummingbird. Sheep. The farmer down the road has thousands of sheep on his farm. Sheep. Mountainside. The best part of the day was having lunch on the mountainside. Mountainside. Cyclist. The cyclist from Germany won a gold medal this year. Cyclist. Snowy owl. Climate change is pushing snowy owls out of their normal habitat. Snowy owl. Tiger. Tigers, the largest cat species, have beautiful black and orange stripes. Tiger. Alpine lake. After 2 hours of hiking, we found ourselves overlooking an aqua blue alpine lake. Alpine lake. Rabbit. It's springtime now, and we are seeing many more rabbits in our backyard. Rabbit.
Zebra. On a recent African safari, we saw thousands of zebras migrating across the plains. Zebra.
Sprinter. It is widely understood that Usain Bolt is the greatest sprinter that ever lived. Sprinter. Leopard. Leopards often bring their prey up large trees, to protect it from other animals. Leopard. Sports car. My friends went to a large sports car race last weekend. Sports car. Eagle. Eagles have made a miraculous comeback, considering they were on the verge of extinction 40 years ago. Eagle. Owl. The owls hooted all night long, preventing me from getting a good night's sleep. Owl. Wide brim hat. I suggest wearing a wide brim hat, to protect your face from the sun. Wide brim hat. Starfish. My sister went walking on the beach this morning, and found 2 starfish. Starfish. Pig. On a recent trip to the Bahamas, we swam with the pigs. Pig. Dog sledding. Dog sledding is a popular sport in the Arctic region, particularly Alaska. Dog sledding. Park bench. My grandfather spends his afternoons people watching, on local park benches. Park bench. Watch. I never leave home without my watch. Watch. Hockey. Hockey has taught me a lot about teamwork, and hard work. Hockey. Skateboarding. The best skateboarding in the city can be found at the local skate park, by the beach. Skateboarding. Stargazing. I went stargazing in the desert last weekend, with a group of friends from school. Stargazing. Lighthouse. Lighthouses are still an important part of the marine navigation system. Lighthouse. Backpack. My backpack carries everything I need for long trips. Backpack. Giraffe. The giraffe's height means it can easily reach the leaves in the highest trees. Giraffe. Desert. The desert air is hot and dry, but the amazing sunrise makes it all worth it. Desert.